The state government has been cleared of wrongdoing by the Supreme Court over what became known as the stashed cash affair. Former Justice Department head Kate Lennon sued the government for breach of contract, claiming she was bullied out of her job for storing departmental funds in a trust account.
Kate Lennon didn't attend the hearing, but her family left the court devastated with the judgment.
It's a big investment yes, obviously you can't help but be disappointed.
Ms Lennon had claimed she was forced to resign after it was revealed in 2004 she'd put aside $6 million in the Crown Solicitor's trust account instead of giving it to Treasury at the end of the financial year. The former public servant claimed it was common practice and said the government had made her a scapegoat. But Treasurer Kevin Foley gave evidence that she should have been aware of the new carryover policy that Labor changed when it took office a year earlier. Justice Robin Layton rejected Ms Lennon's allegation that she was told the Premier wished to terminate her employment. In dismissing the lawsuit, Justice Layton also said Ms Lennon didn't accept any blame for her part in the process. But she observed that Ms Lennon's work ethic and loyalty to her job was largely her undoing. The outcome of this case is a very sad ending to what was a very fine career. Former Attorney-General Michael Atkinson and current Education Minister Jay Weatherill were also called on to give their accounts of the events. Justice Layton found that although Minister Atkinson wasn't aware of the practice in his own portfolio, his overall lack of interest in budgetary matters would not have encouraged the plaintiff to keep him so informed.
The long-running saga has also been the subject of 2 parliamentary inquiries and a police anti-corruption branch investigation. No criminal charges were ever laid over the matter.
On top of her own legal costs, Ms Lennon may also be forced to pay the government's bills for the trial. The government's application for costs will be argued in court tomorrow. Michael Atkinson said he believes the decision has vindicated him and the government. This was Justice Layton's last judgment. Earlier she had a farewell ceremony to mark her retirement from the Supreme Court bench. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.